Hi, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. The topics we are going to cover in this session are what are the different workspaces available in Experience Cloud, how we can customize a site by using Experience Builder. These are the different workspaces available in Experience Cloud. Experience Workspaces is one-stop shop for building, setting up and monitoring our Experience Cloud site. Builder and administration workspaces are used to manage our site's setup and branding. From dashboards, workspace managers can view dashboards for groups, members, speed activity, license usage, and manage our site's reputation system. From moderation workspace, moderators can view which items have been flagged for review. From content workspace, we can organize and manage the content of our site. Gamification. It is a great way to engage members and keep them motivated. It encourages customers to participate actively in activities to get reputation points, levels, and badges. Guided setup. Here we can configure features and integrations with step-by-step instructions. Experience management settings. Generally, Experience Workspaces is enabled by default for all Experience Cloud sites created after Spring 17. If Experience Workspaces isn't enabled in our org, we have to configure experience management settings. For that, go to our org. In quick find, enter digital experiences. Click on settings. Under experience management settings, we have enable experience workspaces option. By default, it is enabled. If we want, we can disable it. Now we will see how we can customize the site by using Experience Builder. Click on all sites. This is the site we have created in the previous session. If we click on Builder, we will directly navigate to the Builder workspace. If we click on Workspaces, we will navigate to Workspaces. These are the workspaces. From here, we can navigate to the workspaces, whatever the workspace we want. Now, we are going to discuss about Builder. So click on Builder. This is the Experience Builder. By using Experience Builder, we can apply branding to our site. We can create and customize pages. We can deliver personalized experiences to different audiences. This is the component panel. These are the different components available in Experience Cloud. We can add custom components and we can get the components from App Exchange also. We can drag and drop the components from here to the builder wherever we want. Once we drag and drop, we will get the component properties. We can edit the properties from here. In drop down, we have a duplicate, delete, and assign audiences option. We can delete the component from here. We can duplicate the component from here. And we can delete it from here also. If we want to assign this component to a particular audience, we can assign it by using audience targeting. We will discuss this in audience targeting. Next one is themes. By using theme, we can control the appearance of our site by customizing the theme. Here we have manage branding sets option. By using branding sets, we can create different themes and assign it to different audiences. From edit CS, we can apply external CSS styles to our experience builder. In colors, we can change the text color. This is the text, and we detail text color, action color. If we want to change the border colors, we can change. We can change the page background color also. From here, we can change the navigation menu. This is the navigation menu. We can change the navigation background, navigation text color, and navigation bar background color also. From here, we can change the login pages colors. In images, if we want to upload, we can upload our company logo. Now I am uploading Ursa Major Solar's logo, which is taken from Trailhead. We can add header image also. If we want to change, we can change the background image from here. This is the default background image. Font. This is the primary font. We can change the header font. And we can change the text format also. If we want, we can change theme of. This is the theme we are using currently. If we want to change, we can change our theme. Theme settings. If we want, we can hide the header region and navigation. We can hide the notification icon. Here we can set the page maximum width. We can change the search component. Next one is page structure. Here we can view all the components present in the experience builder page. These are all the components present in this builder page. From here we can quickly view the components and we can quickly delete the components. If we click here, we can, this is the headline component. This is the featured topics and feeds. Like that we can quickly view the components. We can delete the component from here also. Next one is pages menu. Here we can search for any page and we can navigate to that page. This is the page actions menu. Click on this one. We will get page properties here. Depending upon the page type, we have other options also. Here we can add sub pages and move pages also. Click on page settings. These are the page properties. If we want to give the public access, we can give from here. We can change our content layout from here. This is the current layout we are using. If we want to change, we can change the layout. We can override the default theme of our home page also. From here, we can change the theme layout. We have two layouts, default layout and login layout. Page variations. From here, we have to create the page variations. Page variations means we have to create different pages and assign it to different audiences. We will discuss about this in page variations. We can refresh our page from here. We can undo the changes and we can redo the changes here. This is the view mode. Here we can see here we can see how our site looks in mobile mode, tablet mode and desktop mode. In mobile mode, we can hide some components also. This is the headline component. If we want to hide this one, click on this eye symbol. This component is hidden. Now it will. Like that we can hide the components also in mobile mode. Default mode is desktop mode. Preview. In preview state, we can check how our end user can view our site. Publish. When we click on publish, we can publish our site and make our site live. From here, we can take it quick tour. It shows what are the different components available in Experience Builder. These are the settings available in Experience Cloud. In general settings, we can track which template we are using. We are using customer service template. If we enable this checkbox, we will give public access to the users so that guest users can see our site without logging in into our site. This is the site title. If we want to change, we can change here. Published status. Now our site is not published. If our site is published, we will get one URL here. When we click on this URL, it will open in new window or new tab. Guest user profile. It shows the associated guest user profile. When we click on this profile, it will navigate to the profile page of our Salesforce arc, where we can modify the profile settings like which permission the guest user has. These are the navigational topics and feature topics. It is available only in customer service template. Here we can define navigational topics and feature topics. We will discuss about this in coming sessions. Next one is theme. From here also we can change our theme. Next, configure. Here we can control the layout and appearance of each page in our site. Here we have three layouts. Those are customer service, theme layout starter, and login body layout. We can these are the pre-built themes. We can switch between these layouts only. If we want to add if we want to create our own theme layout, then we have to create custom components and custom theme layouts. Pages assigned. For the customer service layout, these 40 pages are assigned in our site, and 5 pages uses login body layout. 2 pages uses service not available layout. If we want to create new theme layout, we can create from here. Here we have error page. Now I am using that error page. Click on save. Here pages assigned are 0. Now we have to assign the pages. Click on page properties of error page. Click on override the default theme layout for this page and select the theme layout, error layout. One page is assigned to this error layout, and here error page is removed. 40 becomes 39. This is the custom layout. So if we want to delete, we can delete from here. If we delete this one, it is added here. It becomes 40. Like that, we can change the theme layouts. Languages. Here we can add multiple languages to our site to create a multilingual experience. We can change the default site language also. But before changing the default language, we have to export our site content first. Then we have to change the default site language. And after changing the language, we have to import translation. If we want to edit a display name, we can edit from here. We can add languages from here also. We can add any number of languages according to our requirement. Before adding the languages, we will not get this symbol. After adding the languages, we will get the symbol here. From here, we can select the languages. If our site is not available in translated language, then our site will display in fallback language, that is in English. From here we can select the language. Translation translation content is not available for our site, so it is showing in fallback language. Navigation. Here we can add navigation menus. This is the navigation menu, default navigation. If we want to create more navigation menus, we can create from here. Mobile publisher. Mobile publisher allows us to create a branded Experience Cloud native mobile app for iOS and Android and publish it in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Salesforce ensures that our Experience Cloud sites are responsive and viewed in a mobile. Building a mobile app requires a small team of mobile developers. With Mobile Publisher, the additional effort is reduced and we are able to extend our Experience Cloud sites into native mobile apps. CMS Connect. It is used to connect our content management system to our site. We can add headers, footers, banners, CSS, JavaScript, and other CMS content to our site. Advanced settings. Here we can track the page views and page traffic by entering Google Analytics ID. We can add markup to the page head to customize our pages. If we enable this checkbox show all components, then all components are available in the component panel. Security and privacy. It manages the security and privacy settings of our site. It prevents our site from malicious attacks. Here we have to enable clickjack protection, content security policy, CSP, and site cookies usage. In clickjack protection, we have 4 levels. If we select this one, our site will not get any protection. If we select good protection, it will give the good protection. If we select most protection, then some pages in some workspaces will appear as a blank. So to avoid this problem, we have to select the recommended settings. Content security policy. Here we have two options, strict CSP and relaxed CSP. If we select strict CSP, then it will not allow the third party URLs. If we want to allow third party URLs, then we have to select restrict CSP. Once we select this one, lightning locker is enabled by default. But this is the recommended setting. Strict CSP. If we want to allow cookies, we can enable this one. It allows only required cookies for our site. Developer. Here we can export customized experience builder templates and pages. We can add these templates and pages to a lightning bolt solution to distribute to other apps or published on App Exchange. Updates. Here we can update our site's template to the latest version. You are already using the latest version of our template, customer service. This is how we can customize our site by using Experience Builder. In the next session, we will discuss about administration workspace. These are the references. Please go through those references and please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. Thank you.